Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are back for another day, another dollar, new week, new chances. The market is going crazy right now. The market is going completely crazy right now. Mamma mia. I took a long this morning from the 104, close to the 140s, 35 points. If you hold that, oh wait, it was here actually, 104. Yeah, if you hold that only with, even if it's only 1 micro, that's $600. But I didn't hold it, so that's how it is. Let's get some levels in the chart. Let's get some levels in the chart. Let's go to mentor Q. Oh, I'm standing, guys. I'm standing. It's really nice. I have my standing desk back. Oh, I'm home, guys. I'm home. Oh, it's so nice. Really, really nice to be home. Ay. 127-inch screen, 134-inch screen, and then one, I don't know how big this is, but this one is like turned. I know, it's just like super nice. I don't know how I did it. I actually didn't do it because last 3 months were trading wise also not the best. And you can blame the setup, you can blame a lot of things, but I think we learned a lot from it. And good times are coming, guys. Good times are coming. I feel it in my finger. Let me see, converting GEX levels. And of course, we do that in Mentor Q. Launch application. I'm gonna show you guys. It's a very nice, very nice. Oh, look at this. It's very big screen. Then we go to Quinn levels. Yeah, of course, Pepsito. The longs were done this morning, and maybe later today, but now it's to wait. Very slow. Come on. Continue with WordPress. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, Mentor Q is not working. Never mind, guys. Never mind. Mamma mia. What the hell? Well, then we're just gonna use the levels of mic. We're just gonna use the levels of mic. No problem. We have always multiple options. I think it's maybe even a short, but I'm staying out of the market at the moment. Let's wait what market open is going to do. I'm gonna try one more time. Levels. Maybe it's not working because I was streaming it live. Oh, now it's working. Of course, now it's working. I'm still gonna show it. So for the end of day levels, and Q. Yes. So then I get them from here. I throw them in my converter. We also have a converter in the Discord. So you can throw these levels into the converter and then it will convert the levels into a usable document that you can put into Deepcharts, and then you have all the levels in Deepcharts. Very good, very nice. Very nice, very good. Can you upload them on TV? Trading View. No, these are made for Deepcharts. Trading View has a connection with Mentor Q, so that's why we didn't. That's why that is not built. So then we go to drawing utilities, import, and queue levels. Oh, a lot of levels. And look at this, guys. Look at this. Where did we go? Where did we go? To the gamma level. The gamma wall. Yeah. Crazy. Freaking crazy. So if we manage to break this level, we can look for longy donkeys. But for now, I think we have to wait a bit. I'm not gonna have these levels on this chart, guys, because it's too messy for me. Firm. Let's get the levels from previous cash session. Ooh, I didn't save that template. That is very sad. That is very sad. Hey, Ferro!
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, morning. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Didn't trade anything this morning. I hope I can get something now. Let's see.
Well,
Let's see.
There will probably be a setup.
I don't like this big move higher. There is a gap to fill up.
Didn't we fill the gap?
Not yet. So yeah, we open above value area, if I'm not wrong. So we should see a bullish day. We should.
Shoot.
Yeah, we are exactly value area now on NQ. Yes, it's still in the range, but that gap with the value area of what was Friday maybe.
Yeah.
That looks like a nice target, honestly. Usually market doesn't leave gaps so long.
No. Copy. Previous very high, previous very low. Hey, Gorilla, broski. Hello. And then we have the point of control at the 300, so also around psychological level, very nice level. That is all below us. Of course, 2 hours before market open, they just start pumping through all the levels of the previous cash session. It's all on the right, right? Yeah. Right. Pref pop. Okay, let me save this because otherwise I lose it again. I don't want to lose it again. Okay, perfect. Muy bien, muy bien. Then let's get these levels into the chart here. No, that's not the good one. This one, yeah. So yeah, okay. So that was what you meant. We are right at the value area of the previous cash session. Huh? Yeah, I was long from 104 this morning, but I took it at 40 points. Oh.
Yeah. If it longer, like the other day, I was in a trade, I believe, for around 4 or 5 hours.
Yeah.
It was Friday. Yeah, it was a long.
Yeah, it was a bit. Yeah, it was stupid actually because we had the value area of previous day above us, and we were also at major support level and everything. We were consolidating. It was actually it was actually a hodl, but yeah, took the 40 points. Salute, Rabim. I hope I pronounced that well. Hello broski, back after quite a long time. I stepped away from trading and program because of work. Good to see you again, Never Suffer broski. Very, very nice, man. Hope everything is going well with work. I hope we can make some money together in these markets. Just 5 minutes. Not gonna lie, I think this is actually still not. I still don't have enough charge in my for my feeling. It's still not enough. Not enough charge, but I mean not enough space. No space. I need more space. Might be possible to make the charge a little bit smaller, you know. Oh yeah, that could be a good idea, look Richie bro. 15 minutes to go. Okay, I'm gonna sit down. It was either going for a walk on my treadmill or sit down. I chose the unhealthy.
Sit down.
Yeah, I chose the unhealthy option. Guys, there's a lot of stuff behind me because we just arrived and I have to, like, we have all our stuff is in all over the apartment. All over. Yeah. Okay, let me delete all the drawings here. Let's have a look. If we have a potential pullback, where are we going? Let's plot the volume profile on this leg. So let's mark this area, 260s. So we have the point of control at the 300s. If we're staying deeper, we have a delta, big delta level. And then we have way lower level. Wait, let's just mark it up. Where the move began. That's actually VWAP level, guys. That's VWAP level. But I'm not sure if we're gonna get that. But let's just mark it. I sometimes, oh, that's the news that I hear. Let's see, we have the AI. Okay, just now, Iraq investigating circumstances behind the drone launches from its territory against Saudi Arabia. Okay. Here guys, I'm gonna share the news feed that I have here, and then just 5 hours ago, the breaking news one. You can can have a look here at Intellect Broski. Cannot share this too long because it's there's a lot more in this application. They even have a Trump tracker. Trump tracker. You know everything that Trumpy does. It's nice. It's called marketedge.ai. It's interesting. Hey, Costa Broski. Yeah, man. A lot happened around gamma levels, gex levels, and all of that stuff. We did a meeting with one of the owners, the owner of MentorQ. That is a application that provides these levels and all of that kind of data. It's on YouTube, so if you're interested in it, you can have a look. But it's these levels just give you the insight. This is actually very cool. I always say, like, if you really want to go take a deeper dive into the subject, it's maybe better to watch a dedicated video about it on YouTube. But I can say something about it. I have to study more about it. That's one thing for sure. But there's the thing that makes these levels super interesting is we are doing analysis based on previous price action and previous volume. That's what we are doing, and that's of course that's giving us a certain edge. But what these gex levels and gamma levels do, those are data based on option flow and options. So what does that mean? That means that we base our analysis based on options. Is people are betting, so big institutions, they are betting on that the price is going to do something in the future. So what does that mean? If we can see that at a certain level there's a lot of interest, that means that there is interest at that level. So we are not looking at historical data, but we can have a look into the future actually. So that makes it super strong. That makes it super strong. Hey, the meme guy, Broski. Okay, good. Never suffer. I'm happy. Oh yeah, I'm happy to be home, but it's the whole house is a mess, bro. And we have the newborn as well, so it's like everything in once. It's like it's still a mess. I have to work. My girlfriend we have to care for our child, but it's also like it's a mess everywhere. So we have to clean it as well. So it's a bit challenging at the moment, but it's so good to be back, guys. It's so good to be back. If you're a bit stressed and you walk outside the door and the sun is shining, everything is okay. Why would you stress? You have the sun, you know? Just wondering if stream is delayed. Let me have a look. Most of the time it's 2 or 3 seconds. 2 or 3 seconds. Exactly, Pepe. Exactly, Broski. We have 8 minutes. Okay. Let me see. Live. Maybe it's better that I disconnect with the Bluetooth here. Oh yeah, exactly. Oh, that's. Oh yeah, exactly. Oh, it's. Wait. Test. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's like 3.5 seconds. 3.5 seconds. So that's not. It's not too bad. That's quite good for YouTube, to be honest. Oh, what? Where can you see that, the meme guy? That's crazy. That's crazy. Well, 3.5 seconds, that's not too bad. That's not too bad. Let's have a look. I want some GEX levels in the chart. Some important GEX levels. Import annotations. Yes. Let's have a look. We have the 500s. That is GEX 2. Wait, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna do this. Import. Yes, and then I'm going to delete some. What is this? I'm gonna delete GEX 4. Hey. What? Oh, wait. Heh. 300s. We have 6 minutes, broski. 6 minutes. Let me also get the ES levels in the chart. Yeah, Ollie, it's so from my understanding, when you have a gamma wall on, yeah, on the 0-day efforts, I don't exactly mean what you mean with the gamma wall on the 0-day efforts, but if you have a gamma wall above you, that's most of the time a resistance until you break it, and then it can make sure that if you break a level, there's a very big chance that you accelerate. But could you explain your... Yeah, of course, broski, I can do that. If you plot the volume profile on this leg, then those are big delta zones, big buy delta zones. So, and it's also a high here, and it bounced off here as well. But I don't really look at the price action. I most likely look at, you can almost not see it, but below this there's a very big buy delta, and then here we have big buy deltas. So it's a cluster of big buying. So that's why I marked them. So we have previous day value area high, previous day value area low, and the point of control of previous cash session. So that's Friday, guys. So what do we look? We are quite bullish today. We are most likely not going to open the session above value, but high in value. So I'm kind of bullish for today, but if we break all the levels to the downside and we retest it, I might take a short, of course. But for now, I'm quite bullish. It depends all what market open is going to do. But if we trade into the 260s, I might look, if we have some absorption, I might look for a long, or even here still, because we also have the VWAP. So we have to see. Mike, what were my green boxes? Just big delta clusters. So I plotted the volume profile of this big leg up, and then you have a big cluster of buyers here and a big cluster of buyers here. So that's what I marked. And the bottom one also aligns with the VWAP at the moment. So that's interesting. G-Trade! Hello broski, bonjour! Nuna, bonjour! Yanis, hallo! Bonjour baguette! Croissant! Is it true, bro? You can trade Nasdaq Micro in Nasdaq Mini? Yeah, of course. Yes, definitely. We have 3 minutes before market open. Yeah, it's a bit shit because I was actually going to trade a new account, but I haven't connected it. I haven't connected it to my chart yet, so that's a bit shit. 2 minutes before market open. Lucreci. All the bros in the chat. All the bros in the chat. Let's go. Let's go. What the hell? Ay. 100, 100, 100, 200. One minute before market open, guys. 1 minute before market open. G-Trade broski. You make me shy, man. You make me shy. I popped in when I was driving in the car. Have you seen me? Did you hear me? Were you here? Let me have a look. Rhythmic, entity trail, hour. And I think guys, that the market is open. Big dump. We sting into that 0 DTE level, guys. 0 DTE is rejecting here. Big buyer coming in. We sting also into that point of control, the 300 level. She might want to go long already here. Ooh, what happens? Are we going to the green box or not? Kind of rejecting here. Quite some aggression to the downside.
Let's go lower. Come on, you have to go lower. Come on, give me this. First partial taken.
Ferro in the shorts.
Yeah. Careful here because this is a big area of support. Yes, there's still some job to do down there. So I'm keeping the short. Took already some partial. Okay, yes, took some gap here. We are in area of support. Really careful with the short from here. Really careful.
We had to fill some imbalances.
put my stop loss at break even just in case.
Not too much big trades, guys. Not too much big trades. Is Deep DOM available now? Mike, did you already get access or not?
Let me have a look. It wasn't available about an hour ago.
Okay, out of the short here, I don't like it. Yes, took value area low yesterday. We are in area of support. I don't trust this that much.
No, it's still not available.
Okay. Yeah, they said end of the day or something today. We will see. Right, we go lower, we go lower. We come into the level. Let's see what happens if the buyers want to step in.
I'm in the short again. I like this rejection from the previous day point of control to go lower.
Nice.
Let's see.
Bouncing of gets one now.
Okay, let's go. Come on, you're almost there.
I needed a little bit higher. Took a little longy dongy from, what was it, Gex 1. Come on.
Come on, yes, go lower. Yes, like that. Like that, I don't like this level, honestly. We may chop around a bit, but I still believe he has to go lower. I still believe.
Let's see if I can get... Yeah, it would be nice if we reach previous value area low to and get some absorption over there. That would be amazing.
Yes, already did it. Yes, already did the job. NQ is almost at my first partial, but really doesn't want to give me. Really doesn't want to give me.
It's licking.
Doesn't want to give me that partial. It is incredible.
Disconnected. Connected.
Well, the delta level was kind of holding, guys. The delta level was kind of holding. But for how long? That's the question.
Nice, I like this. I like where we rejected
Yeah, it
again.
looks like this delta level is not going to hold. I'm gonna look a little bit lower. Well, GEX 1 is
GEX 1 is still holding.
crazy, yeah?
Damn it.
But this is the third time, so it looks like they want to break. Looks like you want to break.
You know, I put a break even this time because I really don't want it makes a bad joke to be now. But we should go lower. Come on. Break it, break it, break it, break it, break it, break it. Come on, nice. Like that. Like that. Oh, I want these sellers getting reward here. We have a really big sell delta here. And it, oh, I didn't take my profit.
Ay, ay, ay. Oy, oy, oy.
Incredible. One tick, one tick, one tick.
Can you ask Ferro what he looked for the rejection of the previous point of control? I think it was kind of a break and retest. We broke it, didn't respect it, and then we retested it.
Retested, yeah, I got him from that.
Yeah. Ay, ay, ay.
Why are you looking for it to go lower, Ferro? We've hit the previous value area low.
But you know what? No, we are. We made a reject from here because we took regular time trading hours, and I had my take profit just one tick away from where it is, and yeah, didn't take it. So I closed my trade here.
But we've hit the previous cash session's value area low.
No, the previous cash session value area low, it's at 217.
Yeah, he's talking about ES.
Ah, yes, you know, yes, did it. Yeah.
No, I'm looking at NQ.
Oh, whoa, you're switching it up again.
Yeah. on mine, we've hit yesterday's or the previous cash session's value area low. It was at 29,242.
Oh no, I have delayed data feed 13 seconds. What is this? Come on.
Mine is at 216. 217
Why is
actually.
it different? Why is it different?
You know what? I have to restart this one. Anyway, I got to the short up 800, but I'm in delayed data feed, so I believe I have to restart this.
Nice short, nice short.
"21 seconds delayed data feed." What the hell is this? We may keep dropping here, guys.
Yeah, it looks like she doesn't want to stop. Looks like she doesn't want to
But,
stop.
I am really concerned this data feed now. I disconnect and reconnect again.
Whoosh. Stronger.
Okay, maybe it's solved. Okay, yes, enqueued now to previous day value area low. And from here I will start to look for long because I see nice reaction even on ES. Let's see. The candle yet test close.
Now, I also have a delay, man. We have some news coming in. Let me have a look. Okay, a senior Iranian source, US, has shown flexibility in ongoing discussion. Okay, that's positive. Okay, let's see if we have VWAP coming up.
Where is Greg?
I have no clue.
Okay. I closed this short so soon. I had the late data feed. We may go drop. We may drop a lot here, guys. Let's see, this area is the biggest buy delta of the day.
Yeah.
If it rejects.
Oof. Ooh, I had a very nice entry there, but it's not, my data feed is not working. That's horrible. Oh, it took my TP. That's nice. Okay, that's good.
Okay, we are at daily VWAP, I believe. And we are rejecting right now. Let's see. I still don't see anything here, guys. We may go even lower. So since I don't know what he wants to do, I don't do anything.
We have some absorption happening here. So we also are at a very nice level. But we are incredibly bearish. We broke a lot of shit from this morning and everything. We have to be a bit careful here. Insane delayed data feed with me as well. It's not working, man.
Okay.
Yeah, it's horrible. A lot of absorption happening here, guys. Guys, how can I use Deepcharts trade copier? I have to make a video about that, to be honest. Quite some people are asking for that. So, yeah. This candle was actually a clear long, and it's also long for the area is also long. So, but I don't like if I look at the 40 range, and I don't like it how price is moving. If we sting back into the green zone, the delta zone, and we have absorption again, I try a little step again, but oof, I was too late for that one. Oh, sorry, Giuliano. Sorry, I'm gonna unmute you, Broski. I will unmute you. Ah, this was a clean long, this. My data feed is delayed. Fucking hell. Giuliano, if you leave and come back, you can speak, Broski.
Hello, boys. What's up,
Hey,
Mikey?
hello. How are you, Broski?
I'm surviving, Mikey. Restaurant is closed Sunday, Monday, so I have a peaceful day of trading today.
Nice.
Me and Pepe caught a nice little long, $1,100.
I saw that.
But it made me suffer, bro. The market made me suffer. Volatility is absolutely crazy today, bro.
Yep.
Oh my word. I really thought we were going to hold this LVN, but we didn't. I mean, reclaim back above the New York VWAP with buying stepping in, targeting the 7450s maybe again could be a possibility. Let's see. We found acceptance above 7400 on ES. That's why we took that long. So we've obviously come back down into these levels, but sellers couldn't push past the high volume load at the 420s. So obviously that long was in there, but my data feed is tripping, bro.
Mine as well. Everybody and Fedos as well. So yeah.
Yeah, I mean, this long on yes, honestly, I'm up. I see nice rejection from this support
High volume.
area here.
420, Fero.
I'm going for
the 50s,
yeah,
no?
Where is bringing me? Let's see.
I was trying to take a long off this break of the 7420s where these large sellers got trapped and then big buying stepping in, but my feed was just glitching, bro. I was like, okay, cool. I'm not gonna risk.
Yeah, I also took a long from this green zone, but I didn't. It's on a 1-to-1, so then most of the time I drag my TP higher, but it was glitching, so I couldn't do anything, and then it just hit my TP.
Mine was just glitching all over the place, bro.
Yeah. So it is how it is.
Okay, let's go with the long.
But,
Fero, where did you get in? What level did you get in, Fero?
From 430.
Ah, okay, that's a good trade, Fero. Nice trade. Right off that break, yeah, beautiful.
but I want to see if we go higher. This
See, I'm scared of 74.50 because there's a gamma level that we resisted off now during the previous, like during our session as well. That's where we took off our profits off that retest. I want to see if we can accept, but the fact that we've bounced off, we could also just range in between these two levels today. So it's a bit of a...
yeah, maybe, yeah.
Abbassa la voce.
Come on, break this and go. Come on. Break this and go. Yes, like this. Break this and go. Nice, nice, nice. It's so nice having NQ and ES on the same screen. You know, you can see which one looks better to take a trade.
Pre-market analysis was on point, guys. The green zones. First we had a little bit of rejection from the first zone, but that one didn't hold. So we melt lower and look at this rejection here. Beautiful, beautiful.
Okay. Gimme. Come on. Yes. Okay. Of course. Nice. Make a new high. Don't reject from here. Come on. Nice.
One day max. Oh my lord, 400 buyers.
Yeah. Nice.
What are they planning to move the market higher, Ferro?
This as I said before, this has a gap from I believe was Friday session.
I see the gap. So you're targeting what? 7,500, Ferro?
Let me see where I have it with the value areas. Oh, what is the value areas here? It's
would be
500. Yeah.
7,500 because there's also a 0DTE wall sitting there. So I'm just to see if we get acceptance above here. I'll join on the long. I missed the entry point at the bottom, but it's okay.
Careful now here because NQ got rejected again from the previous day point of control. So really careful.
I'm gonna look for a pullback to re-enter. I want to see something more. It's too much. Huge buyer stepping in at the top of this range though, which is very nice to see. Big buyer stepping in.
NQ is not holding. Come on. Push higher.
Oh no, Zeno, unlucky, bro. Yeah, I'm looking for a continuation, like what Ferro is saying, to that 7,500s, because we've really broken above that 7,400 call put support 0DTE, and it's a GEX one. So I'm looking to see if the market can hold these levels to see if we can go a lot higher. But oh man, I should have been in from the bottom with Ferro off that massive absorption at the bottom there. Let's see what happens now. This is a previous area of rejection from today's session, Ferro. That's why I was like, be very careful here.
No, yeah, I already took some partial here. Let's see. Okay.
I'm going to look to see if I can get off 74.40 if it gives it to me, or maybe we get some more absorption because we do have some passive players stepping in here.
Oh, big seller stepping in here on ES.
Massive, around 205.
Massive, yeah.
51, 46, and 46. We have around like maybe 400 and something contracts. If they get caught, I think this might be a good entry point to go high. Let's see.
K and Q rejected from the point of control of this session for now. But you want to see something more to enter? Nice. Let's see how it closes this candle.
Zeno, what do you want to see, bro? Do you want to see my footprint chart or do you want to see volume profile, man?
Nice.
Ooh, big absorption there on the ES.
Yeah. I'm watching it. Mikey, I'm watching it. Close attention to it. Slight little pullback into this. Oh, more big sellers stepping in.
Oh. Okay, I'm out of the long. I don't like this. I believe we'll go higher, but I don't like where we are. So I believe this will go a little bit lower again.
We have some news. Let me see. I heard a news sound. What the fuck does that mean? Oh.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of...
Dang, guys. Dang. They knew, they knew. Those big sellers, they knew.
74.50 was a very strong area. I want to see if we can get a bounce off the 440s now here on ES.
Okay, now we are in area of support. We have value area of the session, at least on NQ, on ES. Let's see.
Oh man, why did my data trip? That I took the fucking bottom there. Jesus Christ. Would have been a 10-hour trade. For sure. And my data feed is still 5 seconds delayed. Well done, Nach. Well done, well done, well done. Are you in Rhythmic? No, CQG at the moment, man. CQG, but I'm going to cancel that as well. I think I'm going over.
I'm looking at this 440s level, man. We have daily VWAP right at the bottom. We have New York VWAP. Maybe a bounce off New York VWAP off this low volume node here. Let's see.
So we are approaching a value area high of the day. What is that?
Okay.
We couldn't claim above value area high of the day, so I'm looking to see. What is this? Let's see where we are. A nasty pullback into this.
Consider today we open even inside the range, so it's those days where actually is not that are not the best, honestly.
We had a nice fail. We're touching volume point of control of today's London session. I want to see if we get any buyers stepping in here, which we do here right at the bottom. You see a delta shift already, but I want to see some more. Give me some more, man. Oh man, what a fucking trade. Let's see. We just tapped New York VWAP on ES. Let's see how it behaves around the New York VWAP. nothing on the time and sales. Wow, crazy. We hit that core wall to the T and rejected it, eh? Wow. Never marry your bias, huh?
You never know what you want to do, so yeah.
We've just hit the volume point of control of ES, regular trading hours. Let's see if we can claim above VWAP to continue higher. Delta bars is Delta bars are changing a little. Let's see what happens here. We need some serious buyers stepping in here, and then we can push higher. We have acceptance above 7,400, so I don't think we'll go lower. But hey, you never know with this Chichi. We had large aggressive buying participants get absolutely railed at the top there of that 74.50 area, eh?
Lot of absorption happening at this level on NQ.
Yep. Even on ES, Mikey. We do have a delta flip, but I want to see a large participant placing an order in, then I know. We did have one earlier in the day that placed an order of, a big order. So let's see now if he can continue pushing it higher. The guy that pushed the market higher today is still present. There's like around 1,000 cons. Yeah, they're still here. Here we've got some large aggressive participants re-stepping into the market. Let's see if we can claim above the VWAP. Oi, hello. What the hell?
I didn't trust it. I didn't trust this long. I didn't trust this long.
606. Oh no, this is news, gents. Stay away. Look, now we have another large buy. We have 606 sellers and now 520 buyers. Some chichi is happening here. Be very careful, boys.
Completely delayed. Everything completely delayed.
This is news, guys. This is something happen here.
This could be a juicy long, Pharaoh. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Show value.
I'm too busy with looking at the news. Yeah, it was also going too fast, and I still have a delay. You cannot trade like that.
Yeah, no, Mikey definitely.
All the time this happens always when it's at the heat of the moment, when you're at your level, then you get that delay. What the fuck? Not trade like that, right? What the fuck?
Yeah, no, that's how you say goodbye to your accounts, Mikey.
Yeah.
It's not something we want to be doing,
Look at the fucking entry. It's at the zone, absorption happening, big buyers coming in. It's textbook. Fuck.
Yeah, this was a great long. I'm not gonna lie. I chickened out due to the fact that the market was really violent here. Like when it does those candles that move like chichi. I still think. Yeah, this looks good, to be honest. This looks so good for a long, man. Off that reclaim, I should have taken it. There it is. The stop loss right below that level. I could have targeted this level again. Trade.
Yeah, this is Chi-Chi, man. Big Chi-Chi here.
But you see, Mikey, how it's moving, bro. It's not normal candle momentum.
But it's crazy because in this news thing, there's nothing coming in.
But is there news today, Mikey? I don't see anything. I just see people tweeting. An Iranian vessel passes through US blockade, UK Starmer. I don't really see any red folder news that's popped up.
No. It's more about with the war and all of that stuff. What is happening? Just what is happening.
Actually scaled down. I went back to 5 micros instead of a mini because broski.
Hey, you made your money. Just only risk what you made.
Yeah.
So it's good.
For sure, bro. For sure. Put like a 250 stop loss. Let's see, but I'm not entirely convinced, Mike, because we've had large buyers, large sellers. I mean, I don't like seeing consecutive buying and selling like this, but the trade was there, so whatever. Failed VWAP, lower VWAP. And then big buyer stepped in of 500 and something contracts right off that volume point of control of regular trading hour session. Now market's moving back up.
Guys, give me a W if you like the green box on the chart. Plotted before market open. Look at this. Look at this. W's in the chat for the green box.
Something. We had some of the largest buying delta happen here. This was crazy, man. We're gonna find acceptance here above these levels. Maybe a good long into GEX2 here above the 59s, perhaps. I'm not sure. Market's been moving crazy, dog. I mean, we opened, came down, absorbed, big buyer step in, back into that resistance point.
Oh yeah.
Price acceptance above 7,400 was the key to breaking this, because look at all this buying here, bang, bang, bang. These guys are all still present. This is just market pullbacks. This 526 contracts that kicked in now on ES after putting these 606 sellers underwater is the key to making the expansion move into the 7,500, I think now. What a trade. Too bad I didn't take it.
Disconnected. 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 Connected.
Oh wow.
Connected. Connected.
Again, absorption happening at this level.
Trade. I see a pullback into this level to give me confirmation that we're going to stay above the value area high of today, which means buyers are willing to sell. We might even see this 7,500 get hit again. But there's just, yeah, let's see here now. Large aggressive sellers stepping in. If they don't get rewarded, I might even just join the long here. Let's see. You guys in anything? Mikey, did you take anything?
No. I'm looking now at on Nasdaq.
Bouncing off value area high.
Nasdaq, we broke back into value area of previous cash sessions, so that would be maybe a nice long back to the other side of value. That would be very nice.
I'm looking at that currently now.
And big absorption happening as well, huh?
So we've peaked back down into this level, Mikey, back into the, after absorbing, we've peaked back down into this GEX5 high volume node. I want to see, you know, we got around 200 and something contracts that just popped in here. If these sellers don't get rewarded, I rate this long would be quite juicy, to be honest, to go back into the 7500s on ES, which is quite optimistical, but maybe perhaps GEX2 at the 60s, it would be a really good trade. But the problem is we got this wall at the 50 that's rejected twice in today's session, which isn't the best, I mean, the best risk to reward. But let's see. If we accept above 50, I think we're going to rock it up. Yeah, this looks good for a long. I'm not even going to cap. But you see.
There is something here, guys.
What the hell is happening, guys? What the hell, man?
It's something.
Who's tweeting? Let's look at the Trump tracker.
Zulu putting in orders.
Trump tracker. What is Trump doing? Nothing.
Let's see. Let's watch for an absorption here, Mikey, because we got lots of pressure stepping in. Let's see if these market participants are willing to hold above the 440s.
Ooh, we might go lower again, huh? Or we're getting absorption here.
If we reclaim above the 42s on ES, I'll take this long, but I need to see a reclaim. Let's see, we're gonna retap back into this New York VWAP. Maybe we'll hold again. My bias is still long because we're above the VWAP. So after accepting 7,400 of value, I want to see this price move up. But hey, broski, these fucking candles, the way they're closing, it's insane.
Ok, I'm long.
Are you long,
Nice.
Pero?
Yeah.
Sempre su yes.
Su NQ, ma se
Ok.
NQ va su anche yes va su, insomma.
Yeah, I agree with you, but I want to see a little bit more. I want to see a reclaim of 42, then I'll go long. We have VWAP protection, and we've just tapped back into a low volume node. So let's see reclaim of 42, maybe 43 to give us, to put these sellers underwater. Then I pull the trigger.
Actually, on yes, the setup is even clearer than NQ. This is a strong support area on ES. We may be tap, we may get, but yeah.
I'm long on ES. I don't know what we can target. 7,500 maybe would be a good trade to target. I'm not too sure, man. That would be a bit far away. This is a bit of an optimistical trade, man. I'm not sure if this will play out in my favor, but let's see. Why am I not able to see this trading panel? Okay, yeah, there we go. Okay, come on, let's see what we can get here. Beautiful. We just need to break the 50s. If we can break 50, Ferro, Areto, here we go. More big buyers stepping in. If you can break the 50s, man, oh, it'll be juicy. It'll be very juicy.
Again, I don't like these. I don't like these.
Yeah. Rejection. But
Always
again,
this level here. Always this level here.
But Ferro, remember, we have this big player at the bottom here of 526 contracts that placed this order in here. And previously, in the same London session, we had 1,600, 485, all at the bottom of this range. So I think we might get an expansion up after all of this manipulation. So let's see. I put my stops at $200. I want to see this if it plays out in my favor. If not, okay, cool, whatever. This would be a really big optimistic trade. I think maybe below the one-day max would be a good level, but also we have a massive target here at 7,500. That's the next core resistance wall. If we can claim above here, we can see something here. X4, maybe one day max. Let's hold and see what happens, huh?
Okay. We might have a range here, guys, to be honest.
Yeah, we might just chop, to be honest, after this.
I might just chop around here.
No, maybe I should questo. I don't like seeing this zero print at the top here. I don't like this. 188 buyers and then a zero print. That means that no seller was willing to sell to this buyer. That's why the market's not moving higher. But again, you got to be patient. Market doesn't just directly go where you want it to go, you know? Trades down to 100 actually. I want to see a little bit more action here. Big buyer stepping in, no follow through. That's a bit shit, that. Yeah, you have to adapt to the market, broski, 100%. That's why you gotta have your stop losses below the swing lows and all that shit, bro. Because if you put it too tight, if you say, cool, these buyers, and you put your stop loss somewhere here, you'd get cooked. So you gotta give it a bit of space. That's why you have to size down, you know? We're bouncing off the cash session value area high at the moment, Ferro, on ES. X5 and high volume 0 DTE. So let's see if it can hold, man.
Yeah, this is the cash session value area high, and inside this area we had all the previous day levels. That's why I'm saying this is a strong level of support. But you know, support can always broke. You never know. Oh my God,
Yeah, nice, Pepe. Nice, I like it.
Nice.
See? Play the range. Yeah, Pepe is right, bro. Playing the range is insane. Okay, let's see. We got quite a large amount of buying participants restepping in here. The delta is still green, which is good for us. We didn't really have a delta shift, which is great. So if we can continue above, and we break above 74.50 and get acceptance, we have to just be careful at 53 because that's the London value area high. But let's see. I rate this is a good long, Ferro.
Yeah, I'm in the long, guys. I'm still in the long.
All day long.
But now I really want it to go somewhere, honestly. You know, the point is, this is the best level to take along from this.
Yeah, I see.
100%. Yeah.
100%, Ferro.
If he breaks this one, yeah, we go much lower. But this is a strong support area.
Yeah.
Once
Okay, here we go.
From a nice support area, you should not be scared. You know. Okay, you can lose the trade. Yeah, it happens. But
We should just break this. There's something happening at 47 that I don't like because every time we peak above here, there's zero prints happening. I don't enjoy this. But we must break above 50. If we break above the 50, and we find acceptance in value above 50, I think we'll go higher. But you see what I'm saying? Zero print.
again. Yeah,
Zero.
again.
But look at the delta. It's still not shifting, which is good, which means people are still adding into their positions. But again, a lot of buying at the top of this range, huh? Ish. No, not accepting value above 47. You see here, these players here. These guys are the ones that move the market. So there's a massive fight happening here now. If we can claim above this, it'll be a decent trade. Come on, let's go.
Are you in long, Juliano?
Sorry, Mikey, I'm eating. Yeah, bro, I took a little stab.
Nice.
But like Ferro said, you just got to be patient now and see if we can get into that. Because like I said, the whole day we've been battling around this.
Not really a nice day to trade, honestly.
No, not for holding.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm done eating. So let's see what's going on here. Yeah, lots of trap participants at the top, but let's see. Yeah, we couldn't accept value above value area high in this cash session. We might hit this view up and then retrace. Let's see. See what happens there. Mm.
We're going
Gee.
to retest this 500 here again.
We have a low volume node, Ferro, that I'm expecting price to at least protect. Vedi qua, questo low volume node here.
Lo vedo.
So we got to see if this low volume node can hold. We just bounced off the point of control of the New York session, VPOC of New York cash session. So let's see. Okay, let's see. We're finding value above here again. I just don't like this delta shift that we've had here. This is not good here. I need to see large selling participants now getting trapped, which is good. We haven't had anything on the time and sales, which is great, which means this could have just been a pullback to fake and then add and then continue higher. Like I said, we just got to accept the value above 450. Then okay, cool, because this is not good. I don't like the way this is looking.
Chi.
But again, we're bouncing off 774.40 on ES, which is great. It means we're holding above value. Is this a being glitchy? What's going on?
No, but this for me is going higher, but now he has to chop, you know. So you take the bottom, or
We've had a big selling participant step in of 120 contracts. If he starts moving it down, then I think it's cooked. If he gets put underwater, I think we'll get the flip that we're looking for. I hope I'm reading this correctly, and this is an absorption, and then we'll get that spring that we're looking for here. Yeah, large, I mean aggressive negative delta prints, but candles are closing green is always a very good sign. And you see, every time we peak here, we fail. Not good. Not good.
Not good.
Point of control of this session didn't accept value. This was a bit shit here. You can see this zero print here was a bit shit. Failed again there. Then we had a delta shift.
Groyo, you're on fire lately, eh, broski? You're on fire, eh, lately. Oh yeah.
It's about just taking these trades, Mikey, with larger contract sizes. You're short in the market, short RR, 1 to 2, 1 to 3 risk to reward, you know, quick, in and out, few minutes, 3-4 minutes, and you're done. I mean, that's how Carmine Rosato trades, you know, 1 or 2 minutes, 3 minutes, but he's in with like 10 minis and he's out, you know, you make 4 or 5 bands and then you're good. But I mean, the market reading has to be insane. Did you watch the podcast that they released now?
No, man, it released yesterday, I saw.
Yeah. It's like a 3-hour podcast, but the information is insane. Like the fact that you see what Fabio sees and what, not Fabio, what Andrea sees and what Carmine sees is insane. It's like totally different order flow styles, but totally different.
Nice to see, Grognon. Nice to see, man. Really, really nice.
Man's making bands, bro. View up is crazy, bro. And I heard some ICT guy say that it's a lagging indicator, that you don't need it. Lol. Yeah, that's quite aggressive selling coming in now here. I don't like this at all. I think I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Yep, I'm dead. Let's see now if we get a retrace. Okay, let's see if we fail New York view up. And then we get in again. One more trade for the day and then I'm done. Okay, we've just hit the New York VWAP. Ferro, are you still in, Ferro?
Ferro threw his computer out of the
Oh no,
window.
oh no, I'm out.
Here we go. Acceptance above VWAP, trapping sellers. Let's see. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if this low volume node holds, huh? There's a lot of aggressive passive buying that happened in this area earlier. I want to see them get cooked.
We might break this level on NQ and then
Yeah.
quite some room to the downside.
We're retesting these big buyers that were here earlier in the market. Let's see if we get a reclaim above view up, Mikey. Yeah, there we go. Trapped selling participants below view up. Let's see. Someone might be absorbing this, huh? Wow, insane. Oh, look at this delta bar screaming upwards. Oi, oi, oi.
Yeah, we're breaking that level now on NQ, so we might go a little bit lower,
NQ is
guys.
probably gonna go to retest value area low London session.
Even yes,
Looks
doing
really like that. Really looks like that. He went in a really choppy way, but he did it.
Okay, wait. Be careful here. We're gonna bounce. This looks like a bounce off the GEX. We might bounce off this daily view up. If not, then it's cooked. There we go. Daily view up hit. Let's see what happens now. Yo, massive sellers coming in. That is crazy work.
Okay,
Oh.
NQ touched the value area low on London session.
We might even get a bounce of 7,400. We have to be careful. Crazy, crazy, crazy work, my friend.
Oi, oi, oi. It's completely...
It's melting, Pharaoh.
Oh, careful now. Careful now. Let's see.
An underwater situation happening here now. Oh, yo. Are we in today's value area low? Yeah, we are now. We're in today's value area low.
Yeah.
On the cash session value area low. We're just about to hit value area low of overnight session as well. I don't think I'll long this until we hit that put support at 7,400 Pharaoh, where there was around 2,000 contracts. I don't know, to be honest, because mamma mia. To long this in the middle of nowhere, I'm going to wait for this to get hit. 7,400, then we look for longs back to the 450s.
Look, even the 29,000 on AQ.
Jesus, bro. Oh, the shorts.
Okay, I'm about to close this short. But doesn't want to give me the full target here. Okay, taken. Okay, nice.
It rejected the value area high of today to the T. To the T.
Giuliano, I don't know. I don't know what we want to do now, because now we have NQ in the value area low of the London session, but yes,
We just tapped
bro,
London's London's value area low of today. But I'm not gonna
yes, value area low is below.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for put support at 7,400. I want to see what happens. If I get anything there, then I'll take it long. I've learned my lesson with taking longs in the middle of nowhere, bro.
No, don't take long or short. I will not neither short or long from here, honestly.
We are rejecting the value area low, which is crazy, of today, of the overnight session on ES, 74.10.
Now, to take a short here, I would honestly go wait for a pullback towards these 20, 26, around there.
You see, the problem is, it's like what the guy from Mentaq says is you draw a box. And then you see like this box here, it's in between value area and the put support at 7,400. See? So now if you look to the left, look at all of this aggressive buying participants that were chilling here from earlier in the session. So they obviously now, where we are now, protecting this area. Here, you see here, 1,600, 300, this is a protection zone here. So if you draw a box between value area low and 0 DTE, look at exactly what's happening here. Protection of the zone, you see? So where do you open a buy and you put your stop loss below the 97s here. And then you just hope that this holds, because look at that, that's huge buying that made this move. Failed back down, we retested the support area here. See, textbook.
Yeah.
Trap, 149 buyers, 149 sellers getting trapped in these levels. That's the buy back up into that level that you're looking for. You see?
Yeah.
Put support, hold it very well on Nasdaq. Ooh,
Did you tap into a put support, Mikey?
Yeah, on the Nasdaq, yeah. 29,000.
On ES it was there. It's between the 10s and the 400s. That 10-point range is crazy.
Yeah, on ES I also had like a big delta zone right there where it's stinging into like the 745.
If you look to the left, the biggest buying delta of the whole session happened here.
Yeah. Yeah.
At this level. So, but they're obviously protecting this. They're protecting this area between 410 and 400, 7400 on ES. So, I mean, this is a thing of, you know, you're in stop loss below that level, give it breathing room. But I don't know, Mikey Broski. I really don't know. I want to see a pullback to give me an entry point. I can't just enter now because then the stop loss is 17 points. Too much.
Oi, oi, oi. Wow,
Correct.
didn't notice that. We took a naked point on control here on NQ and reject from there. This looks nice for a long, honestly, at this point. Looks... I haven't noticed that.
$7,400 is a put support level. Great put support level. We tap back into that area where there was aggressive buying from the earlier session, and now it's just tanking. Okay, cool. We have some large aggressive buyers stepping in here, which is always good to see. So what, do we claim value above this high volume load and then go up? You see, this is the problem now with these markets. Eish.
Okay.
What is this? What the fuck is going on here? It's
Really
cooked.
careful now, guys. Really, really careful. This is kind of chichi market today. Yeah, not easy.
Yeah.
Not an easy one.
We see a pullback, lots of big buyers stepping in again, which is always great to see. If we get acceptance above this level, we can literally target that 450 again. Or view up, perhaps, but then I'd have to size in heavier. But hey, I don't want to do that. This looks good.
We took naked point of control, guys. That was a best area to enter here, but yeah, you never know. That would have been nice long. I didn't take it. I didn't notice it. I really didn't notice it and took that area.
On ES or NQ?
NQ was a point of control. I can tell you which day. It was the 12th of May.
We're hitting the London VWAP now, the overnight VWAP. Gotta see acceptance above the VWAP.
Uh, 129,100. Ooh. We still have that liquidity there, Lukruch.
Yeah, this is gonna go higher, bro.
Now this is gonna go higher because we took that level there.
I mean, let's try this. Let's see what happens.
We're gonna get that liquidity at 100s on Nasdaq. Let's see what happens there.
Put it below that last.
The job down, I believe, at least on NQ is done, but you know, it's never 100%.
Yeah, non lo sai mai quello che può succedere. We found acceptance above. We found acceptance above the New York, the daily VWAP with aggressive buying coming in. I'm hoping it holds. If it does, I'm looking for that 50 again, Ferro. That same area where we rejected off earlier. Maybe move my stops up to see if I can push the market higher. If we can push the market higher, but
you know, Giuliano, the market doesn't have any target down there. For me now, is everything higher, but I didn't enter the long, and I already fucked up on my consistency. So I have no account to trade.
If you look at my stream, Ferro, you can see this is from the London session at around 12 o'clock. We had this large aggressive buying we've tried the whole day to stay below the 7,400 levels, but obviously they managed to bring the buyers managed to bring it back up. So you can see all of this buying here, 300, 1K, 600, 300. So I've obviously just drawn a box between value area low and this point of control and this put support level at 7,400. So we had absorption here. To be honest with you, this is a great trade here. Enter here at the 10s and stop loss below there. But now we're finding acceptance above the daily VWAP. So I'm trying to see if we can get back into this 50 where we rejected off before. And I want to see if we can claim this with aggressiveness. Then what I do is I move my TP higher to the 500s because this is the next core resistance, or maybe perhaps even one day max. And then put my break even in this zone here. But it has to give it to me first. Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
Oh, really? Yeah. But yeah, at least on NQ, that was, I mean, if we go lower than that level, then it's a bearish day, and okay. We are not. But the entry there from that level was perfect. So I would have I didn't take it. I would have taken it.
I took it a bit late. We had not from the bottom, but we had a little pullback over there, so I took it from the 29th. So it's nice.
Yeah, you see, you have even the level 29,000 is a kind of put support there on NQ. There is a lot of stuff telling that is probably the bottom of the day. Probably, you never know.
It really looks like they want to keep the price, they want to push the price lower, Ferro, because they are stacking liquidity.
Okay. You got to the...
No, look in the chat.
Wait a second.
Yeah, you see at the 29s, yeah. Again, buyers failed to maintain price above GEX, SPX3, it failed. Broski. Oh, yo. Oh well, it is what it is. What can you do? It's part of the game. You lose trades, it's normal, no? Just does not want to give me a single trade in my direction today, bro. It wants to make me suffer. Okay, cool.
Bro, pre-market you had a fantastic trade, man.
Yeah. But I was recovering from the 2 positions I lost during the Asia session, Mikey. So I'm at break even now, but it's all right, bro. I don't care. It's funded accounts, man. If you don't try, you have to just keep going. You're eventually gonna get it. So it's normal.
Exactly.
I mean, I lose this account $80 to reset the account. It's not an issue for me. But look at that. Came to take my stop loss, and then now it's making the move back up. Like, this is what I hate. So must I just not work with a stop loss and then just manually close when I don't like what I see? Because I mean,
hey, that's Zulu. That's Zulu style.
Well, it worked for him, 60,000 Swiss francs to 500,000 Swiss francs in 5 months. I mean, makes sense, doesn't it?
Aye.
I feel like we're still gonna get acceptance here, and we're gonna go higher. It's just a question of now this whole battle that's happening between these fuckers here. Look at this area of support that we found here. It's obviously gonna bounce around and create some bullshit here because of the entry point that I had that's too high. The entry point is actually there. There's the entry point right there. There, stop loss below the level, and then you just let it run, see what happens. Because look at all these buyers that are here. That's crazy amount of buying in this area here. Support. Again, we failed here. Yeah, let's see now. We're gonna get a move. I know we'll get a move sooner or later.
Mike, have you seen Lucid has 50% on all the accounts? I don't know if you...
That's true, actually.
Yeah. 50% on all the accounts.
Pissing you off on Long Island, is that Italian, dude? Like,
I have no accounts to trade right now, so I have to find something.
So you wanna buy an account? Buy an account, Pharaoh.
I have to buy a fucking account. No, because I have consistency, you know, and I already did my job on this one. So
Guys, it's 50% off with the code BroTrading at
yeah.
Lucid. 50%
Yeah.
off. Very, very juicy. That's most of the
Even-
time. That's the
even-
best deal that they have.
even on funded account. So if you don't
Yeah.
wanna,
Straight to funded.
if you don't wanna lose time with go straight funded and
Oh yeah. So keep in mind, guys, it's the code there is BroTrading, not bro. BroTrading at Lucid.
Let's see. More sellers stepping in. I think we're gonna fucking rocket up to the 500s today. It's just a matter of when, to be honest.
ES doesn't have anything to do down here. Honestly, that doesn't have anything. It's no, thank you. Sorry. Yeah, ES is kind of, I don't know. Looks a little bit more bearish in terms of target, but NQ doesn't have anything where he wants to go. The only thing is the daily low here, but
I'm gonna try a little stab on ES just now as soon as I see a buyer stepping in here, because I see lots of pressure to the downside, but no follow through again. And we're in this Chichi zone, value area low of today's session.
I really hate those days when we open inside the there it is. There it is.
Buyers are getting aggressive, guys.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Beautiful, we're accepting value again above.
If you're long, guys, this is going long. It's nothing. They have nothing to do on there. They have zero target below. I mean, there is always a target, but that's has to go higher. Giuliano, say hello, Giuliano.
Hey, I took it. I took it as soon as that last seller getting absorbed. I'm already up $200 at the moment.
Nice,
Fuck,
nice.
no.
Let's go.
Hey, nice. And then the market goes, Chichi! Just wait, you'll see now. I'm risking my whole account. No stop loss. Fuck that shit. Not financial advice, huh?
Stop loss under the swing low. I mean,
yeah, around the
this
corner.
All right, broskies. All right, broskies from the YouTube. As you hear, we are still rocking in the Discord. It's 1 hour and 15 minutes into the session. We will continue inside the Bro Discord. If you're not yet a member of the Discord, there's a link in the description. You can enter directly straight into the calls and all of that stuff. You can also enter for free, completely for free. I will share the link in the description. Later, no Q&A, broski. Later, man. See you very soon again, huh? See you very soon again. Nach, how am I doing with the CFDs? The CFDs accounts, I sometimes forget that I have them, man. I'm so focused on future accounts. I have to enter the big swings on the CFDs, but not trading them at the moment, to be honest. Not very smart. Not very smart. Quite a fire, guys, today. Look at the levels. Look at the levels. The two zones were marked before market open. We traded back into the zone. Absorption long to the point of control of the previous cash session. Short. and again of the level, delta level, and again a nice long, and then we went from the previous point of control again short. Mamma mia. And now we are bouncing off the put support. Guys, it's insane. It's insane. If you want to learn more about the levels, if you want to trade with us, join with the link in the description. And otherwise, I see you guys tomorrow, 30 minutes before market open. Thank you very much, guys. Have a fantastical day. Ciao Pace. Ciao Broski. Ciao Nach. Ciao Raymond. Ciao Broskis. Ciao Gon. Cheers Broskis.